Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm very thankful you come back in this video. And in today's video, it's all about short natural hairstyle without adding any gel or without adding hair. So it's such a very quick tutorial that can take only 5 minutes or even less than 5 minutes. But if it's the first time you're watching my video, hello, how are you? Welcome, feel at home. My name is Glory. Before you leave, kindly hit the subscribe button below. Also, don't forget to turn on notification bell. Share this video as much as you can. Thank you so much. So this is the length of my hair. You may see my hair is really short, but when it comes to style my hair, this is one of my favorite hairstyle. So you may decide to part any shape you want, but according to my face, I like to shape this way because I feel like this shape looks good on my face. So I divide my hair into two. I make sure the line is straight as much as I can, and then I secure one side. I brush so that I can hold well front hair, even not hold well, but at least the hair can be on the right position. This is how I normal braid. The first time I divide a small section, and the second one I start pass on top of the previous section. In case you don't know how to do flat twists, every time when you add hair, you have to pull that section out so that you can add hair and keep going. Don't release the section of hair before you make sure you pull it out. If you do that, it means the hair will unravel. Every time add hair, make sure you pull the previous section under and then pull the hair out so that you can add hair. I think sometimes it's a little bit difficult to explain on how to braid, but I hope the more you watch, the more you understand well. So I continue braid till end of my hair. Then I continue do twists. And if you're asking like how long this hairstyle can last even 3 days, 4 days. Is easy style that you can do even every day. If you wake up and you feel like your hair is a bit rough, you may redo it again. It's such a very quick thing. So before I braid, I make sure I brush my hair well so that the lines can be clean. So here I'm going to start a little bit back, but you may also decide to start a little bit front, but I want to do like a kind of like a cross, a little bit cross. So I start a little bit back, then I make sure I'll go the same direction, almost end of my hair. That is the place the line will be. Every time before I add hair, I make sure I pull mid of my hair so that I can hold all hair together. But if your hair is more longer, it means it's more easy for you to braid more than for us with very short hair. So after I finish braid both lines, I pull a little bit front just to make the lines a little bit bigger. Then I take a bobby pin and I pin tail of my hair together. And then guys, this is how the hair looks like. I go ahead and I add some accessories just to spice up my style. I add 4 accessories. So this is how the hair looks like, guys, ready for me to go out. But in case you're not comfortable to walk out like this, you may either decide to add a little bit of my hair or afro puff if you have. You may decide to pin it down so that can cover low sides, just like this. And guys, this is the final result. I hope you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell. I love you and I will see you soon. Bye bye.